Okay, welcome back. Here with another update of my dividend investing portfolio. So if you're new, what I do is just every couple of days I add in a little bit more money to my dividend account and I just keep buying more shares, and I'm just documenting the journey as we go. And if you're a subscriber, then welcome back. You know what's going on here. So quick update for you guys. The stock value that I have right now in my portfolio is $5,579. I've got cash, $400 cash, but $200 is also pending. It's almost always pending, just waiting to be approved by Wealthsimple Trade before I can use it, but I've got about 200 in there right now. So the total gain that my sheet is reporting right now is 389, and this is a little bit incorrect, but I'll show you why in a second. And yeah, that is tied also to the total gain and loss of just under 7%. And again, I'll just update you once we get to the next sheet about what's going on here. But yeah, let's not waste any time and just jump straight into the portfolio. So in the portfolio sheet, everything is looking nice. But what's going on right here is with Brookfield Renewable Energy. These guys did a 3-to-2 stock split, and I had one share. And so it appears like the way that it's being reported is that I've lost, $18. But I think actually what happened was Wealthsimple credited me some of the money in cash, because when I check my cash in my account, 409.92, it's different than what's reporting in Wealthsimple Trade, which we can see right here. So it would be 435 in total in Wealthsimple Trade. But in my sheet, it's saying 409. Now, these are always exactly in sync with each other once the market closes. There's no other errors in the sheet. So I'm just going to figure out what's going on there. But if you look at Yahoo Finance for this share, if you come into the chart here, then you can see that, yeah, a couple of days ago, there was this split from 3-to-2. And I need to just work around that. So probably by the next video, I'll have that sorted out. After markets close, I'm going to take a look and kind of rebalance the Google Sheet and figure out a way that I can incorporate this into there's things like this from happening in my reporting in my Google Sheet. But I was looking through here, and I like to buy stocks when they're in the red for me, on below my average price, providing that things are still looking healthy with the company. And the two that are jumping out at me today are Bank of Montreal. It's got a nice annual dividend of 4.39%, and Bell Communications up almost 6%, and both of these are in the red. So I'm going to go for it and buy some of these. Now, these aren't my smallest holdings, and actually I have 29 different positions. So if I wanted an equal distribution of all of my shares into each of those companies, then that would make about 3.44% in each company to have an equal holding. And you can just check that by just doing equals 1 divided by 29. And if you want, you can format that as a percent if you're not into the decimal places. But basically, if each company was about 3.44, 3.45%, then that would be the same in everyone. So these are both already above that mark. But today, they just seem to be the best buy, I think, for myself. Smart Centers is pretty close, but I'm just going to grab these two while they're in the red, and then maybe with the next deposit, if this one is trending down a little bit, then I'll grab that. Okay, so what we want to do is just clean that and jump into Wealthsimple Trade. And let's go ahead and grab one from BMO. So it should be here. Okay, market buy is fine. I'm comfortable with that for now. So just do market buy, place the order. Yep. Okay, cool. And then also grab one for Bell, which is BCE. And actually, no, I'm not going to grab one. I'm going to take two because I had about $200 in cash, just over. So what I'm going to do is buy two of these at a market buy and place that order. Cool. All right, so let's jump back into the Google Sheet and update these in my transaction page. So we're just going to scroll down to the bottom. And then I'm just going to fill these in with the actual price that I paid, and I check that in my emails or in the notification tab of Wealthsimple Trade. And once that's all done, I'm just going to drop back into the summary page and just check to see what's going on here. And if you were looking before, the estimated annual dividend income of my portfolio was about $246, and now after this trade, it's up to $257. So it's gone up like about $11. Yeah, so that's great. Nice to see that the estimated annual dividend income is also over 20. I think it was over 20 before, but still, both of these just keep climbing with every single deposit and transaction. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'm going to figure out what to do with that stock split on Brookfield Renewables. And yeah, otherwise I'll see you guys in the next update.